think this year is going to be very important for the Spanish real estate market because, as it has been said before, I think at macro level, the main adjustment had been reasonably done. I think now we have pending to go back to a normal market. We still have, we need a recovery of normal functioning of the debt, which is not still there. And debt is very related to the micro normal functioning of the whole market. There is an expectative, I think, from most of investors, I don't know if you agree or not, but there is an expectative that throughout this year, debt is going to start gradually coming back. Maybe not always from traditional lenders, but a combination of traditional lenders, banks, but also other alternative sources. We are starting to see that moderately. And I think that is important, and that's going to be part of the factor to help going back to normal. Another thing that we are seeing day to day, it's the restructuring of the real estate listed sector and corporate sector. We have discussed about some names, the Colonial, Realias, etc. Obviously, the size of the listed sector in Spain now, it is ridiculous compared to other countries. There are some platforms which are good. There are some good management capabilities there, and there is a story for exposure to investment in Spain real estate. So I think there's going to be at macro level in real estate, corporate sector, there are going to be some very important changes, consolidation, specialization, spin-offs, strategies, and all this is going to create also supply, which is part of the problem for some investors getting the correct exposure. So getting back to normal or closer to normal in terms of offer of debt, it is important. That will help to see reality of growth in fundamentals. I think we are going to have a bigger, better structure real estate sector at corporate level. That is very important. And that together with new formulas or new structures to invest, we have discussed about the SOCIMIs, the FABs, all this is going to create a more solid, a bigger and more liquid market, which is part of the problem because everything at this moment is in the balance sheet of the banks. It is too big. It is not the place to be. So it has to be moved to new hands, and we need the vehicles. We need the structures, and we need the management to do that process, which is going to take a while because basically it's quite big.